Meaning of frame of mind.
Frame of mind.
Frame of mind.
Frame of mind.
Frame of mind. Frame of mind refers to a person's mental attitude or perspective towards a situation or experience. It can be influenced by various factors such as emotions, beliefs, values, past experiences, and current circumstances. A positive frame of mind can lead to a sense of well-being, optimism, and resilience, while a negative frame of mind may result in feelings of anxiety, stress, and pessimism. Being aware of one's frame of mind can allow for greater control over one's thoughts and reactions, and can ultimately impact the outcomes of different situations.